Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit a Microsoft Outlook template. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load in all your emails and give you access to your email tools and templates. Once everything has loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to begin editing your template. Now, to access the template editing feature, you'll need to open your email tools. Look for the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen and click on it. This will open up the email composition screen where you can access various email features, including your saved templates. Once you're on the email composition screen, you'll need to locate the View Templates button. Go ahead and click on it. When you do this, a right side menu will slide in on your screen. This menu presents you with all the templates you have stored under your Outlook profile, making it easy to access and manage them all in one place. From the list of templates that appears, hover your cursor over the specific template you wish to edit. As you hover over it, you'll notice a pen icon appear on the top right corner of that template. Click on this pen icon to open the template editor. This is where you can make changes to your template without affecting the original structure or creating a new one from scratch. Once you click the pen icon, your template panel will transform into a template editor. Here you can simply edit the text or the title from the fields provided. Make whatever changes you need to your template content, whether that's updating the subject line, modifying the body text, or adjusting any other elements. Take your time to ensure everything looks exactly how you want it. After you've finished making all your edits, click on the Save button. This will save all your changes and update the template in your Outlook profile. Your edited template is now ready to use whenever you need it, and you can access it anytime from the View Templates menu. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Microsoft Outlook template. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.